Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today we've got an old crank table that we're going to turn into our kitchen table here at our own house. So follow along, subscribe, like us on Facebook and Instagram as we get this thing all set up to get to be redone. Alright, so we moved the base to the side. Really don't have much to do it. We'll just clean it up, wipe it down, make sure it's all clean and greased so the gears all work nice. The top's where we really got to put our emphasis. Overall, really a nice top. It's just got some spots where it's got paint on it and other kinds of little glue and sticky stuff. So we're just literally going to sand this down just a tiny bit, and then we're going to seal it. And we should be pretty much done with the top. Just got some time to sand. So let's begin. Alright, we got most of the paint off that final board down there. I still kind of like the paint look, so I got it approved by the old wife there to keep it as is. We'll put a little sealant on this, let it dry, and then we're going to start working on the base, getting that all cleaned up. Really a simple project today before we get it into the house. So let's begin. While the tabletop is drying, we're going to put a little pledge on here. Everything's greased and nice to go, so we don't really need to do any work. It's just really dusty from sitting out, probably in a barn or somewhere. Well, just put a little pledge on it. We'll get it all cleaned up here. We've already washed it out. So, just do our final touch-ups on it.
New kitchen table. Not that there was anything wrong with our other one. It was probably one of my favorite pieces and one of the first custom pieces we did. This one is pretty smooth and cool. It's got a little crank so it can go up and down, so Brent will be able to shovel food still into his mouth. That everything's safe and sound. But yeah, it's pretty beautiful. Now Brent could just finish the floor in here. That would be great. If you like this piece or any of our other pieces, subscribe to our channel on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and we'll see you soon.